We have an arbor press you can use to install your locator. So when you're pressing these in, please don't use a hammer. Just use the arbor press. And then you can also use this to press the pins out if you need. Whenever you're installing a locator in with the arbor press, don't press in one go. The arbor press has a little bit of movement to it, and if the pin is slightly out of perpendicular, it'll just shove it in sideways. So what I typically do is hold the pin up and down, perpendicular. I give it a little press to get it seated, pick it back up. I usually give it a second or a third press where I pick up and then release. Once I feel that it's seated properly, then I press it in as far as it needs to go, and that typically gets good perpendicularity of the pin. Whenever you're installing a locator, it's a good idea to find out which size hole you need for that material. If it's a softwood, you may go as far as a 32nd undersize. You can also do around a 64th undersize. So for this 1/4 inch, I might go 1/64th under that. But if you're going from maybe plywood or you have oak or MDF, that could vary. You can do a real quick test, drill a hole, and find out how well it fits in. If it's too loose, it'll wear out easier, won't be quite as accurate. So you want to have a little press when it presses in. Just for information, for a 1/4 inch locator like this, there are 8 size drill bits between a 1/4 inch and a 32nd under. You have the 64th under, and you have several letter and number drills. So there's plenty of options to choose from to get this to press in just firmly enough that it's in the wood securely.